Here's a quick step-by-step guide to disable Chrome notifications on your phone or computer. To stop websites from sending pop-up notifications, go back to Chrome Settings and tap Site Settings. Choose Notifications and toggle off notifications. This blocks all websites from sending permission requests or push alerts. On a computer, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Site Settings. Scroll down and click Notifications. You'll see two lists: sites allowed to send notifications, sites blocked from sending notifications. To disable notifications completely, toggle off. Sites can ask to send notifications. This stops all notification request pop-ups. If you want to block a specific site, just click the three dots next to it and choose Block. On Windows or Mac, Chrome notifications may also appear through your system settings. This stops all system-level pop-ups. And that's it! You've fully disabled Chrome notifications on all devices.